आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, let's discuss the question. The midpoint of the chord intercepted by the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144 on the line 9x minus 8y minus 10 equal to 0 is. So let's begin with solution of this question. So what we will do in this question, first we will find the chord with a given middle point for this hyperbola, that is this given hyperbola, which is 9x square minus 16y square and equal to 144. This is our hyperbola. So here we will use t equal to s1 concept to get the chord with given middle point. So let's suppose the middle point of that chord will be x1 comma y1. Let this will be the middle point p of that chord. So from here the value of t will be this 9 into x1 x, here will be minus 16 into y1 y, and this will be minus 144. Taking this 144 this side, and the value of s1 will be 9x1 square, here will be minus 16 y1 square, and here will be minus 144. So from here, cancelling this 144 with this 144, we get 9x1 x here, and here will be minus 16 y1 y, and this will be equal to 9x1 square minus 16 y1 square. So basically this is the chord with given middle point x1 comma y1. This x1 comma y1 is the midpoint of this chord, and according to our question, this is also the chord with a given middle point. So we will just compare these two equations to get the value of this x1 and y1. So we can write this as 9x here, and here will be minus 8y, and taking this 10 on the right hand side, because here the constant term is also at the right hand side, so this will be plus 10. So basically we have to compare these two equations, that is we will compare the coefficient of x with x, y with y, and the constant term with this constant term. So from here we can write this as 9x1 upon 9, this will be equal to minus 16y1 upon here will be minus 8, and this will be equal to 9x1 square minus 16y1 square upon here will be 10. So from here cancelling this 9 with this 9, this 16 with this 8, so we can write here x1, and this will be equal to, here this will be plus and here will be plus, and 8 and 2, this will be 16, so here will be 2 and here will be 1. So from here this will be equal to 2y1, and this can be equated to this 9x1 square minus 16y1 square upon 10. So from here by these two relations we get x1 equal to 2y1. So what we will do, we will use any of these two relations, that is this with this or this with this, and put the value of this x1 equal to 2y1 in this relation. So this will be second equation our, and this will be the third relation. So equating this 2 and 3 we get and this will be 1 also. So from 1 equal to 2, from 1 equal to 2 we get x1 equal to 2y1 here, and we will just equate this 2 equal to 3. So from here, from 2 equal to 3, this second relation with this third relation, we get this 2y1, this will be equal to this 9x1 square minus 16y1 square upon here will be 10. Now what we will do, we will just substitute this x1 equal to 2y1 here, so this will be 2y1 here, into multiplying this with this 10, so this will be 2y1 into 10, and this will be equal to here 9 into value of x1 is 2y1, so this will be 2y1 whole square, and here will be minus 16y1 square. So from here this will be 9 into 4, that is 36y1 square, and 36y1 square minus 16y1 square, that will be equal to 20y1 square. So this will be 20y1 square, and this will be equal to 20y1. Now we are supposing that y1 cannot be this 0, so we are just cancelling this with this y1, so this one y1 is cancelled out. So from here this y1 will be equal to 20 upon 20, that is equal to 1. So this is the basically value of this y1, that is y coordinate of the midpoint of chord. So from here we will just substitute this y1 into this relation, that is x1 equal to 2y1. So we get value of x1 equal to 2 into this y1, that will be equal to 1. So x1 will be equal to 2. So from here we can write the ordered pair of the midpoint p, and this midpoint p will be given by this x1 comma y1, that is equal to 2 comma 1. So this will be 2 comma 1. So answer to this question will be option D, that is 2 comma 1, which is the midpoint of the chord. that is this chord. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।